If you're looking for an easier way to upgrade your shower experience, let me show you the Diamond Shower Filter Bundle. Inside the box, you get 2 shower filters with cartridges already installed, 2 replacement cartridges, and a free bottle of 50 chlorine test strips. It's a great bundle for families because it can cover 2 bathrooms, and with each cartridge lasting up to 6 months, that's up to a full year of filtration. This 7-stage filtration system includes KDF, activated carbon, calcium sulfite, stainless steel mesh layers, plus lemon beads and vitamin C media designed to help reduce chlorine, heavy metals, bacteria, and other impurities in your shower water. Installation was incredibly simple. No tools required, just screw it onto your shower arm and you're ready to go. I collected some shower water before installing the filter, then I collected some after. With the water collected before, the strip turned blue, showing chlorine was present, but the water tested after stayed completely white, indicating 0 chlorine. And since the bundle includes 50 test strips, you can test your own water anytime at home. Another thing I noticed is that the water pressure stayed strong. There was no drop in performance after installing the filter. I have white here, but it comes in both chrome and white, so you can match your bathroom style. The VELTI Shower Filter has been such a simple change. Softer hair, smoother skin, and a more refreshing shower.